Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: registered email or phone, password, and 2FA method. Open a modern browser and go to the Razorpay login page. Enter your email or phone, then type the password slowly to avoid typos. Once done, click Sign In. If 2FA is enforced, expect a prompt. Make sure your authentication app or SMS access is ready. You're initiating secure access, so validate network security and avoid public Wi-Fi during this sensitive step. Once you submit credentials, follow verification prompts. Enter the Authenticator app code or the SMS OTP within the time window. If your organization uses single sign-on, choose the correct provider and continue with those credentials. You may need to approve device access. After verification, Razorpay will load your dashboard. Make sure to allow any session permissions for reporting or payouts. If you manage multiple accounts, select the correct account profile now to avoid working in the wrong environment. To finish, verify the dashboard displays expected balances, settlements, and recent transactions. Navigate to settings to confirm business details and webhooks. Log out from any shared devices and enable trusted device recognition for future convenience. If you cannot access your account, use the password reset flow first, then the 2FA recovery options. If that fails, contact Razorpay support and provide transaction ID or merchant details. One key troubleshooting tip: check for time drift on your authenticator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.